magnified. It's not a full scope.
You don't need it for zombies.
All right, go ahead and close your slide with your finger right here. One more. There you go. All right, and your safety is where your thumb is, so be sure to flip it down before you shoot. There you go. All right, now line up the red dot on it. And then just pull the trigger slow. Don't jerk it.
Can I rest this on the?
Yeah. Rest it on there. Put as much pressure as you need on there, so that way it'll take up some of your movement. All right, you're a little bit left. It looks like. All right, so don't jerk the trigger so hard.
Nice.
God damn.
Woohoo!
Safety on.